We start with forward chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop because we mentioned we can look for the flat. All right, that's why we mentioned if we get any sell setup, we can look for buy. The price drop, but there was no sell setup. The only way to look for trade was if we remove to 1 hour chart. The only way to look for trade if anyone get the trade either from here or this one. But since the price was at the top, we mentioned based on forward chart, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop. That's why when we see based on 1 hour chart and the price was here, we talked about the possibility maybe this one turn to flat for one move up. Even we mentioned if the price move continue as a up move, we cannot look for trade. All right. Anyway, we have been looking for a sell, and this is where we put as a target which 42. As you can see, the price broke. The only way we could look for sell, maybe we move to a lower time frame, 15 minutes. The only way we could look for sell, this is what we could look for sell. We could take the sell setup. All right. Anyway, we were expecting the price to drop as we expected to drop, and even we mentioned that the price can drop to 42. And I highlight that we don't need to be exact. Even the price can break 42 or not. Okay. As we can see, as what we were expected, the price drop, and now we want to see what's the next. Because if we move to daily chart, and we mentioned the prices almost at the top. That's why we mentioned if you want to look for trade, for buy, we need to be quite careful because every time the price broke the previous top, it start to drop. Now the question is whether this one can turn similar to any of this. We will be within this move, or this is the start of the up move. Okay, that's why based on forward chart we were expecting the price to drop. Anyway, based on daily chart they cannot confirm, and in this case we move to forward chart. All right. As we can see, based on forward chart, even we had the divergence. And right now, as what we expected, the price drop. And now we want to see whether we can look for this one or not. Okay, this means if there is any reversal with the flag, we will take the trade with the breakout of this top. We can start to manage. This is what we can look for. All right, that's mean this is because right now we're looking at this flat. But how about if the price drop continue from here, it become more deeper? If we want to look for sell, also we need to look at the correction. Anyway, we don't have any correction either for sell or buy. And the only thing is if we move to 1 hour chart, whoever get the trade either from here or even this correction, they have to start to manage. And right now, if we want to look for next trade setup, we have to wait and see what we get here. If this one turn to a corrective, deeper correction, still we can look for continuation. All right. But the most things, I mean, we will be more interested if this one give us a reversal. Any reversal for buy, we will take the trade. And now we will look at this. If this one give us a buy setup, maybe we'll look for buy. How about if I move to 15 minutes? We don't have any trade setup to look for buy. The only thing is we have to wait because we want to see what we will get here. Either the deeper correction, look for continuation, or we can look for reversal. Okay, that's why it's better for us. We wait, then we see what we'll get here. Then from there we can make a decision. But if we get any reversal for buy, it can give us good trade setup. And like for example with the sharp move flag. But if we get any trade with the breakout of this top, which is 45, we will start to manage. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. If I we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. This is what we're looking for. We want to see what we will get here. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. Thanks.